Hi, my name is Jamal Khan. I'm the CEO of Churchill Mergers. Welcome to another Churchill Mergers deal deep dive. So today I will walk you through one of our recent successful sale of a £14 million turnover advanced aerospace components manufacturer. This is a real life example of how to maximize value in the highly specialized aerospace and defense sectors. Phase one was understanding this hidden gem. So our client was a UK-based manufacturer of mission-critical components for next-generation aircraft engine components, and defense platforms and space applications. So with a 40 million revenue and 28% EBITDA margins, what made this business special was its AS9100 and NADCAP certifications, long-term contracts with prime OEMs, and proprietary additive manufacturing processes, 85% recurring revenue from MRO contracts. Phase two was preparing for the market. So we conducted exhaustive vendor due diligence, identifying key value drivers, for example, customer stickiness, 7-year average client relationships. Number two was IP portfolio, 14 patents in advanced materials, defense MOD clearances, including ITAR compliance. Our marketing package included a blind teaser highlighting tier one aerospace supplier, an IM with detailed contract backlog analysis and technology white papers. Phase three targeted the right buyers, so we identified 3 buyer types: strategic aerospace consolidators, defense-focused PE firms, and sovereign wealth funds. Our outreach generated 68 NDAs executed, 29 first-round indications of interest, and 12 bids at 8 to 12 times EBITDA. Phase 4 was a competitive process. The management presentation phase was critical. Here we conducted site visits, showcasing the clean rooms and R&D facilities, prepared the team to discuss classified programs within clearance limits, of course, and demonstrated their unique design for manufacture capability. So post-visit, we received 7 revised offers within valuations tightening around 10 to 11 times EBITDA. The phase 5 was selecting the right partner. So the winning bidder was in this case was a US aerospace group offering 11 to 11.2 times EBITDA, 30% premium to the sector average, continuity for all staff and management, and R&D commitment to the UK facility. Key differentiators here were their need for our clients' thermal coating technology, strategic fit with their space division, and willingness to assume all defense contracts. Phase 6 was navigating complexities. This deal required MOD approval for change of control and OEM consent for on key programs, and CFIUS clearance for US ownership. Our team coordinated parallel approval processes with the lawyers, and redacted data rooms for sensitive programs, transition planning for classified work. So the outcome here was the transaction delivered full exit for founding shareholders, protected 240 high-skilled jobs, and 15 million committed to expand the UK-based facility. For the buyer, it provided missing link in their supply chain, vertical integration for engine components, and enhanced UK industrial footprint. And here's why this deal actually worked. The sector timing capitalized on defense spending increases. It also, the process design balanced confidentiality within the commercial tension, and value demonstration quantified the strategic IP premium. So this transaction exemplifies how specialist aerospace manufacturers command premium valuations when their strategic importance is properly articulated. Very important. At Churchill Mergers, our aerospace team combines technical knowledge, understanding with transactional expertise. And if you want to have a discussion or confidential discussion about your options, visit our website or give us a call. You can also download my book on selling a book from our website, or selling your business from our website, and you can get some very, very important insight into what to look out for before exiting or before sale of your business. This book is also available on Amazon, but you can download it from our website, churchillmergers.co.uk. Thank you very much.